I could have sworn you were hating. I won't tell nobody. I'm fetish with the flat booty. Hi, Betty, how old are you? I'm finna slick back my hair. And I'm gonna use castor oil first. We're gonna do the lock method. Liquid, oil, cream. In that order. And the liquid I have on my hair is water because I just got out the shower. Some gel. Due to the coronavirus, I had to get the softy gel because it wasn't no eco styler. I wasn't finna go to Walmart. Alright. So this is where I am at. Swoop it to one side. So, and this is what we came up with. I really don't be knowing what to do with the back though. The back of my neck part look crazy. So I don't know what to do with it. Put one more layer of gel. Edge control. Right now I'm using this. I usually use beeswax. I'm still mad because when I bought this, I asked her, was this hair wax? Was it gonna make my hair purple? And you know what she said? Yeah, hurry up and buy it. Hurry up. Bitch lied to me because that's not what this is. A really good edge control, so. Some you lose some, you gain some good edge control. And I'll just put it on my problem arrows. Alright, I'm about to do my baby hairs. I like to do my barber hairs. I like to just rub them. And whichever ones come out, those the ones that want to participate in the function. So I let them. Yes, period. I ain't never laid my edges down with a comb like this. I just thought I'd try it. And I really can't see when I'm blind. This close to the mirror. Yeah, this is it. Like Michael Jackson said, this is it. I'll take like 3 of them. Like 3 of these and a do-rag. Tie my hair up. And how I put my wraps on, I like to go from the back first. Lower. Go around my ear. And when I slick my hair, I like to wear the velvet ones. Because the silky ones don't work for me. They slide off. I'll see y'all in the morning. Results. The results came in, guys. Let me see what we looking like. Ooh, I just woke up. Hop up out the bed, turn the camera on. Just the back. I didn't really do nothing special with my edges. Like I said, my edge brush was dirty. I wasn't about to wash it, and I could only do so much with the comb that I was using. I'm gonna insert some pictures of some old styles I did.
As being the person, one of the people who helped.
thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Good night.